Are you ready to create a YouTube channel to market your product or service? Welcome to the YouTube for Business Build and Grow Your Channel Online Masterclass. Follow along step by step as you watch me build a brand new YouTube channel from start to finish. Learn how to create your account, design your channel artwork, create, optimize, and upload your videos, navigate the new YouTube studio to manage your channel, optimize your channel for video marketing, various growth and sales strategies, and tons more. We will even go over how to create video ads to help get your channel up and running fast. If you follow along in this easy to follow tutorial and take action, by the end of the course, you will have a brand new video marketing machine that you can use to help grow your business. Take a moment to check out the course curriculum and the free preview videos so you can see all of the valuable information that we'll be covering. Enroll now and start building your YouTube channel today. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the course.